Today we're talking Aprilia RS 457 and Tuono 457 exhausts. We've got the SC1-S and the S1. Let's open some boxes. Let's take a look at the S1. Now this is the racing system, so this is going to be the full stainless steel exhaust system. Got one header here, second header here, and then this is the link pipe and silencer all as one piece. Got your paperwork, and that is it. Okay, so this is the system. So let's start at the back or the exit of the system, and we have this really nice S1 exhaust canister. Again, it has that really nice slash cut here. So from there you have your aluminum full color riveted badge, and then that goes into a welded link pipe that has this really nice consistent radius bend here. So this is going to kind of fit underneath the exhaust there, right there about the swing arm pivot, and then that is going to come into your Y pipe, where your headers are going to fit together with this little H that is going to be an equalizer, and then through slip fit right here, end up tying into the exhaust as such. So really basic, really straightforward exhaust. Again, this is that stainless steel system. You're going to be saving 6.4 pounds over the stock exhaust with this system. You're also going to pick up 2 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and then 2.5 Newton meters of torque at that same 5,500. Again, this is a race system, so it does have a removable baffle here. So you can get that baffle out of that, or that dB killer. And you're going to see 100 decibels at 5,500 with the dB killer, and then you're going to increase that to 104 if you get rid of that dB killer. And the part number for this system is A30 AC177A. Now let's take a look at the SC1-S. Again, this is going to be a full stainless steel system, and it is also a racing system. Got your hanger here, paperwork, got a link pipe, header, another header, and the silencer. This is the SC1-S completely laid out here on the table, and let's start with the canister first. So this is the SC1-S canister, and it is very, very similar to the SC1R. So it's in that same family, it just has a slightly different exit. It has that oval exit as opposed to the SC1R. So from there, you obviously have 2 different choices here. So this is going to be the A30 AC124C, and then this is the AC124T. So you've got the titanium sleeve and then the carbon sleeve here. The S1 does not give you that option. They just have the one colorway in that at the moment. So if you want a little bit of choice as far as that goes, the SC1-S is your go-to there. Then you have your hanger, because obviously this is going to attach via a hanger, whereas the S1 was a little bit shorter as far as the exit goes, so it didn't need the hanger out here. Then you have your Y or link pipe. So it's called a Y pipe because obviously you have these 2 inlets here. You have your Y pipe, and then this is where the exhaust is going to slip fit onto the system there. And then over here, you've got those same headers as before. So those are going to tie into the Y pipe there, and then into the silencer there. A little bit more hardware as compared to the other one, because obviously you have a little bit more intricate, or a little bit more going on with this exhaust system. So that's why you have a little bit more hardware there. And then obviously the same paperwork and installation instructions there. The SC1-S is going to be a little bit heavier than the S1. You're going to see a 4.2 pound weight reduction with this system. You're also going to see a 2.5 horsepower increase at 7,200 RPM, and then you're also going to see a 2.2 Newton meters of torque extra come with this system as well. As this is a race system, you are going to have a removable dB killer. So it is going to come installed from the factory, and you're going to see 97 decibels of sound from this system with that dB killer in, and that's at 5,500 RPM. And then with the dB killer removed, you're going to increase that to 100 decibels at that same 5,500. While these specific systems are available for the Aprilia RS 457 and Tuono 457, SC offers these styles in multiple motorcycle fitments. Whether you're looking for the sleek styling of the S1 or the more race-engineered focus of the SC1-S, SC Project has a wide range of exhaust systems that are available for your motorcycle and your needs. Here at SC Project USA, we are the North American importer for SC Project, so we are the first and last resource when it comes to all of your SC Project exhaust needs.